Version and communication. Port settings. First, let's set up the wires and the version. We just need to click the Setup button right here. And then, first we need to check the version here on the left side. If your machine is a whole retainer bending machine, you need to choose version 3.1 from the dropdown. So the version is 3.1 for the whole retainer machine. Versions 1.2 and 1.3 are for the lingual fixed retainer bending machine. Make sure you select the correct one. Okay, and if you use different wires, you will need to set the correct wire type right here in the settings panel. So when you finish configuring these settings, you can begin the design. Now let's check the communication between the machine and the computer. Usually we connect with a USB cable. But the computer may have different COM ports available. For example, this computer right here has 2 COM ports listed in the system. So you need to check which one is the correct COM port number for your bending machine. Then set it to the right one here. You can see here the serial communication is now turned on. If you choose the correct COM port and the communication is working properly, it will display that it is connected. Okay, and the baud rate, you don't need to change it. You don't need to set it manually. Just make sure you choose the correct COM port number, and the connection will be established automatically.